guys, this is Jean and today we will be unboxing the newly bought paint sprayer. So it's an automatic paint sprayer. I bought this because I want to paint outside, specifically the walls, and most probably I will also repaint the gate. So we'll start getting off the bubble wrap. Okay. So as you can see, I can already see the inside of this box. So let's keep opening it. So it's here already. We have the actual item. So the brand is, if I'm not sure, but it says that it's Ingco Spray Gun. So as you can see, you can visualize already the look of the gun spray gun rather. And then let's actually try to open it now and see if this really works. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one already. Let's first pull this one. Okay, I think the table is shaking. I'm gonna do it slowly. I'm gonna be removing the free gloves. So I have gloves here. So for its inside, there is also a free tape measure. So it's 3 meter long. This is the actual spray gun, okay? So as you can see, I'm not yet opening it from the cellophane. So aside from these bags, of course, an item should have a manual. And there's this one. I think this is very useful. So we're gonna try later. So it has a manual because a product should always have a manual for the end user to evaluate and scan for pages in which if he finds something useful, or if he doubts about something, he or she can refer to the manual. Okay, you will need to review specifically the technical data. So the input voltage is 220 to 240 volts, which is our input voltage here in the Philippines. So the power consumption is only 450 watts. So your power consumption will depend on how long. Also, your power bill will also be dependent on how many hours or how many minutes you will be using this spray gun. Okay, so the weight is 1.2 kilogram and the capacity of this container is about 800 ml, and the nozzle size is 2.5 millimeters. So most probably that's the most important technical data that we are going to look into when using this product. So if you have bought this already, you can actually review the materials and you try it yourself, okay? And the list of spare parts can also be found at the last page of the user's manual. Okay, let's open it from its cellophane. You know, the the smell of a fresh one. So it smells so good. Okay, we will remove this brand new sticker. So it says here, okay, keep away from fire. Okay, bye bye. And then it has a funnel. I think it's for the it's for refilling this spray gun. Okay, so we have a funnel again. We have a free tape measure and also 2 gloves for us to be protected. And of course, the product itself, we have the Ingco Spray Gun. Okay, so it's here, and this is its, what do you call this? The container for the paint. So you need to put it here. As you can see, you need to put it here, and then you put this like this, and it's like a screw. You tight it on from left to right. Okay, and its power button is here. Okay, and you just have to click it. So I wanna see how this thing works. So let's try. So fast. Have you heard it? Wow, what a powerful blower there, you know? Okay, so that's basically the product. So I will also let you see like a demonstration of this product. Okay. Physical. rin ako kasi.